Hi guys, today we will finish the earrings that I do previously. I was always showing you how you create the earrings to the point till the baking point, but I never show you how it's go afterwards. So let's get it started. I already show you what we need. So at first we will slide the edges, like to not slide, you will make them smooth and nice round, because right now they are not yet that perfect, like here also, you see. So we will slide that. So now it will be a little bit noisy. You see how nice it is? So we make a little bit dust. Yeah, I don't pay attention too much, I clean later, but if you're very picky with the dust, so you need to be aware of it, that this thing make a lot. Whew. Okay, so the first rings are done. I also wanted to do this little those little pieces, or maybe I will do them later. And right now I can show you what we need to know as next. Not, of course, we need to arrange where we make a holes to attach later with the jump rings. And then, of course, I have some jump rings that I used a lot. That was the biggest one, and I don't have it anymore. So I need to think about that wherever I do the holes, that the distance is enough to catch this, to attach those two parts. And I think this will be difficult with this. I can also do a connection, so I can put one jump ring and then I take a little one to connect and another one to attach to the upper parts, like that, I think. Or those maybe can be even smaller, because this will be enough. Do not have too much of the jump rings, this doesn't look that nice. Yeah, but for sure will be better, we'll see. I will do the holes right now. This we can put on the side right now. And for holes I need something that I can put under the drill, because I have a sponge here, so I can put those on the sponge. And then mine is wireless, so I put on plus and it's rolling. I just do the jump rings holes like a minimum, like a 3 millimeter from the row, because the clay might break. And then I push a little bit and I wait until this, okay, zack, the hole is through. You see, it's there, let's go through, that's enough. So let's do another one. Do not push too much, do something great, because clay, it's still very gentle product, we need to be careful, especially when you do something checkered. So now we need to see where we do. I'm always like a person that do on my eye. How you say that? I don't measure. I don't do extra measures with or some markings. I just do what I see it's the right thing. It's a little bit difficult only because I have the camera very low. So I think this will be a good box. This will be a good place. I'm just holding a little bit the piece. Let's see if I touch it. Okay, that's good. This one will be here, and the other one will be, I will just push it away from the camera. So the piece is coming. Okay. Yes, this is good. Let's do the another one. One, two. Don't push too strong, just let it go as it's like need. Don't push too strong because it can break. Okay, pieces are ready too. It will be good also to go and wipe them or wash them under the water to remove the dust. But now we are here and I'm not that in it. I just make a little bit of dust from my head. It's a lot of dust when I'm doing this. Okay, now we have a hold prepared and we have a jump rings here. Then we have those two. We grab one jump ring. Those are the bigger one. This is the little one. I would try first if this will be enough. It's not. If not, then okay. I do like that. I grab the whole one side and hold it very strong. That doesn't move. And this is the connection here. So and then I take another one. Grab on the other side the same way, and then I just open them enough bright also that the piece of airing fit there. Then I put in a hole, I slide it through, then we have it like that. But unfortunately, as I already expect, that this one will be a little bit too small to attach directly to the other piece. That's why I'm taking this little one, attach to this one, then grab again one side and then another side, and then I slide them back together, and I pay attention they are really tight that this little jump ring doesn't go through. Sometimes I squeeze it extra like that, and then we have like this. So now I will take the smaller one and do the same stuff. I do that normally very automatically, but right now I do for you that you can see it better. So now let it go through. They're a little bit rounded, and because this is a teak, we need to sometimes straight the touch that go easily through this teak clay. Later we can rearrange that again after it's through. Yes. Then we take this and we go through this little, and we attach those pieces together. But because this one was straightened, it's a little bit, oh yeah, here I need to really pay attention that this stuck together, otherwise this little jump ring will go and will be released. But what I do sometimes, I just turn this jump ring with this opening, I tried to circle this jump ring. Let's see. Did it go? It would be better maybe sometimes to take thicker drill, but what I did, I just roll this inside here in the hole. So this closure here is right now inside, so it's prevented this little jump ring will get released. But this will need to be stuck also somewhere there. Okay, here. Now it's nice. Okay, now we have to do the other side. Okay, above I used the bigger jump ring, which was better choice anyway. So it would be better if I do that same in the lower part, but we have that like this. We have to repeat the same pattern, that one side doesn't. So we attach already the parts. Now we just need to attach the studs. What I do, it's actually very simple. I take the foul lamp, I place it here, a little bit dirty because I use. So I clean the surface. Sometimes you can take a little bit sanding paper if you want, like this. Just take a little bit slice and make a little bit sand the surface, which will be better to hold the resin when because we will apply resin. Yeah, we will attach the jump rings with the resin. Okay, maybe a little bit more. So to make a little bit not too even surface, which is nicer for everything that have to attach to some surface. So we have resin here. We put the lamp have to be already on. You open first, of course. Then we put the drop here, not too big, not too small. Then I take the jump ring and I push it through. Then I put the lamp and I turn on directly. I will just remove to show you like that. Now it's getting fixed. Another one, you have to do the second part. You can be the lamp, because resin is already, when the lamp is on, it's getting hard, but when I put, then I make it fast and I dip it inside. Oops, and don't dip your finger, then go inside. Leave it for, I think, like 2 sessions, and each session is like 60 seconds, so two times, like 2 minutes, to be sure that everything is sealed. If you or like you want to be more extra secure, it is like, well, it's done. For me, it's enough. It's never break when I put 1 drop, but if you want, you can still take a little bit and put aside extra. But I think it's already, yeah, one round. I touch with the finger and I see if it's sealed or not. So that's all, guys, for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope I help you with this process, and if you have a question, just reach out to me and write in the comments. I can answer your question or make another video with some new topics. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow me.